This is the new 2023 Kia Sorento enters the new model year with improved packaging across all trims, building upon its generous array of standard features. Starting with the base LX, its roster of advanced driver assistance systems ADAS has been extended to include standard Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance (BCA), rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, and safe exit assist. All other trims gain convenience features that were previously optional. The S gets a wireless smartphone charger, the X gets an 8-way power front passenger seat and frameless rear view mirror, and the SX gets a 12.3 inches color digital instrument panel, power folding exterior mirrors, and rain-sensing windshield wipers. The range-topping SX Prestige now comes with standard AUD, which includes gloss-back exterior accents and revised bumpers as part of the treatment. Other added features include a 115-volt power inverter that can charge household items such as a laptop, Homelink, and retractable rear door shades. The X-Line package continues to add a rugged look to the Sorento with unique bumper and exterior details, 20 inches alloy wheels and bridge-type roof rack. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.